Are you stuck in a cycle of negative thinking and you're ready to get rid of your negative thoughts? Then this video is just for you. Keep watching. Hey, welcome back to Ford University. I'm Juliet, Master Hypnotherapist, and today I'm going to share one technique that you can use to finally get rid of your negative thoughts. This video is going to be divided into 3 parts. We'll examine where negative thoughts come from, the 2 types of negative thoughts that you may be experiencing, and I'll also finally share a technique that I use with my clients, one of the techniques that I use with my clients to help you get rid of negative thoughts finally. So keep watching. So in order to understand where negative thoughts come from, you need to understand that your mind actually has layers, and that within your mind you have 2 parts. You have your conscious mind and your subconscious mind. Your subconscious mind is responsible for 99.94% of the decisions that you make, the emotions that you feel, and basically the life that you're currently experiencing. And so within your subconscious mind, you have layers. So you have your identity, you have your values, you have your beliefs, which then dictates what you seek, the knowledge that you seek, the actions that you take, and then the results that you receive in your life. So within that layer, you have your beliefs. So your beliefs are created oftentimes before the age of 7. So when you think about your negative thoughts that you're currently thinking and experiencing and what they're based on beliefs. So in order to actually get rid of your negative thoughts, you need to shift and get rid of your negative or limiting beliefs that are responsible for those negative thoughts. And then now you think about the 2 types of negative thoughts that you can be experiencing. You may have just a random negative thought or fear or something that may come up in your mind. You can disregard that because that really doesn't have a huge effect on your emotions in your life. It's just a passing thought. What's really dangerous are your repetitive negative thoughts. So your repetitive negative thoughts end up shifting your emotions and your mood, and these fire certain neurons in your mind that create these negative emotions. And if this is persistent, this eventually will create even more serious issues or mental disorders. So it's important that you address these repetitive negative thoughts. And now I'm going to share the one technique to help you do just that. The technique is called belief shifting. Because as I mentioned before, your negative thoughts are linked to your negative and limiting beliefs. So if you shift your beliefs, you will then shift your thoughts. Because if you're trying to get rid of your negative thoughts, you just continue thinking about the negative thought, which means that you're thinking about the negative thought as you're trying not to think about the negative thought. So it's important just to shift the belief that is linked to that negative thought. So watch this video and then get a pen and paper, a pen and pad or journal, and write through these questions and answer these questions to go through this process. So what is a persistent negative thought that you're currently thinking, or that you've been thinking for the past few months or weeks? Now ask yourself, why do I believe that this thought is true? Then ask yourself, where did this belief come from? Is this even mine? Or was this something that someone told me, or something I saw on television, or something that I have seen or experienced, and then I said, okay, this is the truth? Think about the first time that you've believed this, or you've come across this belief that's linked to this thought. Now ask yourself, what is the true reason behind this belief? Is it to keep you safe? Is it to keep you small? What is the reasoning behind this belief? Now ask yourself, is this belief true? Or is it just trying to keep me safe and trying to keep me small or trying to keep me hidden? Then I want you to declare the opposite of this belief. I no longer believe that this is true. Instead, I choose to believe this instead. Then write that belief that you choose, that more empowering belief, down. And then I want you to write that belief down 10 times before you go to bed. And then I want you to say the belief out loud 10 times as soon as you wake up. And you can do this for the next 14 days to lock in the changes. 21 days would be ideal, but after 14 days, you'll continue on. So I believe that you'll do that. And so this is how you start to reprogram your mind and you shift your beliefs that are based on the negative thoughts that you're thinking. So this is just one technique that I use with my clients, but oftentimes it's easier to use hypnosis for this belief shifting, because then you don't have these daily tasks that you have to do. You can simply either listen to the meditation, the recorded hypnosis, and the overnight subliminals to do the work for you at a subconscious level. If you're interested in the hypnosis method, there's a link below in the description where you can click it and you can join Self-Wealth Activation. That is my group hypnosis program to help release negative thoughts, heal your inner child, help you heal from intergenerational trauma, racial trauma, and ancestral trauma, and then also heal you from any emotional, physical, or mental burnout that you've currently have been experiencing due to negative thoughts. You could click the link to learn more about it. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below and what other videos you'd like to see. Thank you so much for watching. And if you know someone that needs this technique or could use a boost, send it to them or share, and be sure to subscribe. See you in the next video.